Hello, my name is Neacsu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add text in Photoshop. Let's get started. Jump. Let's add some text. To do that, we need to select the text tool. You can find it on the toolbar, is the one with the T mark. The shortcut for text tool is T from your keyboard. Press it and then click somewhere in your panel and type some text. To validate what you just typed, you need to press this button, or the shortcut is Ctrl plus Enter. We can change the size of the text. We need to select again the text tool, select the text, and we have this icon over here that will open this panel that gives us the ability to change the font, okay, the spacing between the lines. Let's add another line to see that. The spacing between the letters and the size of the text itself. You can also change the decoration of the text, like making all caps lock, italic, bold, and underline. Okay. You can also change the color, and you can change some letters color or the entire text. It's up to you, but this gives you the ability to create some creative things. You can play with the text, with the color, with the sizing. To change the text size fast is to select the layer with the text and the move tool, and then press Ctrl plus T to free transform it. And to not change the ratio of the text, you need to hold Shift plus Alt and drag one of the corners. Okay. And last trick that I'm giving to you is to select the text tool, and to change the size of the text very fast is to hold Control, go with the mouse over here where is the size of the text, and drag it on the right and to the left. Make it bigger, smaller. And again, we need to validate what we just made. I hope this was very helpful for you, and if you enjoyed this, I highly recommend to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. See you next time. Shop!